Hi friends! Welcome back. I'm so excited to do another math video with you today. So last week we talked about 3D shapes and we talked about their faces. So this week we are going to be talking about partner equations. Now you have a page in your packet that looks like this. Okay? Partner equations. So we're going to practice a few problems together on the whiteboard, and then you guys are going to go into your packet and you're going to fill out this paper, okay? All right. So a partner equation. Partners are two numbers that make the total. So if you have a math mountain, your partners are down here, okay? P for partner, and we'll do T for total, okay? If you remember our hand motions, the top of the mountain is the total, and then you take it apart for partners. Total, partner, okay? So we're going to be talking about the partners that make the total, okay? Let's erase that. All right, so I'm going to give you an example. So let's say I have one colored in dot, okay, and then 1, 2, 3 white dots. We are going to come up with the equation to match this picture, okay? So first, we're going to find out how many there are all together. So let's count them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know there's 4, so we're going to write a 4. All right? Now, we need an equal sign. Now we're going to find out the partners that made 4. So we're going to think, how many colored in dots are there? How many? Well, let's count them. Ready? 1. Okay, so what do we need to put right here? You're right, a 1. Okay, so 4 equals 1. What sign do we need? Do you need a plus or a minus? You're right, we need a plus. Okay, 4 equals 1 plus, and now we have to count how many white dots there are, okay? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So what are we going to write right here? You're right, 3. All right, so let's read this equation, okay? 4 equals 1 plus 3. So we know that 3 plus 1 equals 4. We also know that 1 plus 3 equals 4. Okay? So now we're going to try another one. We're going to try a little bit of a harder one. So put your math cap on. Get ready. We're going to keep our plus and minus sign so that we can circle it later. All right, let's try a harder one. All right, here's our next one. Now, you may say, Miss Wolfson, that's a lot of dots, and that's okay. Sometimes doing things that are harder makes our brains go stronger, okay? So let's start out. We need to count and find the total. So we're going to count all of the dots up, okay? So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, 10 dots. Okay, so we know that 10 is our total. There's 10 total here, okay? And we need a equals next, okay? So now we need to count how many colored in circles there are, all right? So you're just going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are we going to put right here? A 5. You're so good. 5. All right. And then what sign are we going to be using? Are we going to be using minus? Or are we going to be using plus? Are we adding together? Or are we taking away? You're right. We're adding together. So go ahead and circle that. We're going to put it right here. All right. So now that we counted those, we need to count our white dots, okay? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think Miss Wolfson needs to try again. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's better. 5. So just like Miss Wolfson, it's really easy to lose track of the dot you're counting. So make sure that you're either touching that dot or pointing to it so that you don't lose track, okay? So there's 5. So we're going to put a 5 here. So now we're going to read our equation together. 10 equals 5 plus 5. Now you can read this backwards. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we know that 5 plus 5 more gives you 10. Good job. All right, we're going to try another one. One more, and then you're going to go try it on your own in your packet. And if you have already done the page in your packet, you can always make up your own problems, or you can try them again. Practice makes perfect. That's what they always say. All right, let's try one more. Let's do here's our next one. All right, so what's our first step? You're right. Count them all up and find the total. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is our total. There is 6 all together. Remember, total means all together. That's how many there are all together. Okay? 6. Okay, so now we need our equal sign. All right. What do we count next? You're right. We count the colored in dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So what should we write right here? You're right. A 4. Very good. All right. So let's look up here. What sign are we going to use? Are we going to use plus? Or are we going to use minus? Are we going to use put together, or are we going to use take away? You're right, put together, because we're putting these together to get that. So let's circle our plus. Put a plus down there. All right, so we have 4 plus, and then how many do you think is right here? Should I guess? No, I should count. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2. All right, let's write a 2 there. Okay, let's read our equation together. Ready? 6 equals 4 plus 2. Did you see how Miss Wolfson is making sure she points to each one? I'm not just rushing through. Okay, so sometimes using your finger or a pen to point to what you're reading, just like when you read a book, you point to the word you're reading. It helps you stay on track, okay? So let's read it. Ready? 6 equals 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, so now that we practiced a few problems, you are going to go into your packet, and your page looks like this in your packet, and you're going to try these problems. Now there's ones that look a little bit smaller, and there's ones that look a little bit bigger, but it's okay because we practice ones like these. So I know that you can do this, and if you already did it, give yourself a pat on the back, but I think that you could practice even more by retrying them, or you could make up your own by drawing your own dots and then writing the equation to fix it. Or anyone at home can make a picture for you, and then you can write the equation. Okay? I miss you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you soon.